I have here today is a set of like hiking slash kind of everything boots. These are from the company NORTIV8, I think is how you would say that. I think it's just like V8 there. And let's just open them up. Or actually, let's look over at the side here and see these are a size 9. There's the part number right there. And the color is brown. So it's a 9, and in Europe it's 42, UK it's 8, and Japan 270. And it has a little hole right there for something. And let's just open it up here and look over it. These things look really good. You get a little like size card here, right, that just kind of like goes over all the sizing. Let's just kind of like look over the boot here. They have these eyelets right here that are very tough. Those are metal, by the way. You have waterproof. So these things are all waterproof. There's the logo again. You can see all the stitch and the tread right there. And I love how they put the logo right there on the toe. These look very premium at a super affordable cost here. You can see the logo down on the inside. Very cushiony on the padding on the insoles there, and they're light. These things feel very light. You see their tread there. That is a kind of like a nice all-around hiking type tread right there. And you see the logo embossed in the middle there. And it's kind of a softer type durometer rubber here. I did put these on and walk around in them. They feel really good. They lace up. They're comfortable. They're padding. They have a good little pull tab there. And I like how padded out the tongue of these things are. And they just feel good on the foot. I look forward to doing a lot of hiking in these. These are going to kind of become my kind of everything boots. So yeah, everybody, that's all I got today on the NORTIV8 waterproof hiking boot, work boot. See y'all in the next video.